Hey, it's Miss Alana, working on math, and I know you are working on math too, getting smarter and smarter every day. Yes, that's what we do. We are working on our winter packet. Now, some of you all got this in December and finished it. Some of you all got it in December and did not finish it. Get that done. Some of you all lost the packet. Some of you all didn't get the packet. So I know today everyone has that. So you have today to get it done. We'll work on it also tomorrow. Hopefully you get that done. If not, you'll have the weekend to get that done. Now, I am not going to make all the videos. Well, maybe I am. Let's get started. Are you ready? Oh, welcome back to the new year. That's right. It is 2017. New year, new start. Time to be a boss. Yes, that's right. A math boss. Let's do this right here. Adding mixed fractions visually. That means using a picture, a visual representation, using a model. So make sure you turn to that page. Turn to that page. Let's begin. All right, so it says right here, it says to use the visual model to solve each problem. And they gave you an example, so you can go ahead and read that to learn more. I'm not going to go through the example. Go ahead and read that. But I am going to go ahead and do the first one with you, okay? I'm not going to do all of it, so make sure you pay attention, all right? Pay attention. So let's look at number 1. All right. Can you see that? Can you see? Can you see? All right. Now, look at number 1. It says 3 9/10 plus 1 2/10. Now, before we begin working that out, do you know what kind of numbers these are? Do you know? These are mixed numbers. They are mixed numbers. Why is it a mixed number? Because it is a whole number and a fraction put together. Do you see that? There's a whole number, fraction, whole number and fraction together. We call that a mixed number, okay? So look at that first one. It says 3 9/10 plus 1 2/10. So look at the first mixed number. It says 3 9/10. So what we need to do, you can use a pencil, you can use a colored pencil, maybe don't use a crayon because some of the pieces are kind of tiny and then it's going to be a big mess. So either use your pencil or a colored pencil. Yeah, I think that would be the best thing for you to use. And let's shade in 3 9/10. Now, first, let's shade in the whole numbers, okay? What whole number do you see here? The whole number is a 3, and what's the whole number here? That is a 1. So that means I need to shade in 3 whole circles and 1 whole circle. So shade in 3 whole circles. Okay, please don't copy how I shade. Shade it a little bit better than that. All right, so there's 1 whole, okay. Do it better than mine, remember? Shade like a 5th grader, not like a kindergartner. Shade it nice and neat, nice and neat. Nicer than mine. All right, maybe I should have used a thicker pen, but you see what I'm doing. Make sure yours is nice and neat. Now, some of you all, I think, are working these out without shading it in. The whole point of this practice was to use your model, to do it visually. So make sure you shade that in if you have not. All right, so there's 1 hole, 2 holes. Maybe next time I'll use a bigger, fatter pen. There's 3 holes right there. And, all right, so that's the 3 holes for that first mixed number. Look at that next mixed number with that. That's a 1 hole. So now we need to do 1 hole. You see 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, 1 hole. Bam, right here. Maybe I should have used a different color to show you that part. Maybe. All right, maybe on the next one I'll do a different color. All right, so you see that? So there's 3 hole, 1, 2, 3, and then the 1 hole right there, okay? So we're done with the whole number. Now we need to do what? Shade in the fractional part. What's that? That's 9/10. That's a 9/10 right there. So look at this circle. How many pieces are in that circle? We can count. Let's count. Start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pieces in that. How many do we need to shade? We need to shade 9 of those for that first mix number 9. So, okay, I'm going to do it carefully. 1 piece, 2 pieces, do you see that? 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 5 pieces, 6 pieces, 7 pieces, 8 pieces, and 9 pieces. Now, you know when it says 9/10, if there are 10 pieces and we shaded 9, how many is left not shaded? Subtract it. 1 is left not shaded. So look at our picture. You see that? Now look at the next fraction right there. The one with the 1, that other mixed number, it's 2/10. So now what do we need to do? We need to shade in 2/10. Now, make sure, don't use a new circle. We need to finish shading that piece right there to make that a whole, okay? Can't have like some pieces shaded, some not. That's not going to be right. So make sure that you see how all the way shaded, all the way shaded, all the way shaded, all the way shaded. Now, if I need to shade in 2/10, how many pieces are left there? 1, so I count that 1 and then 2. Okay, so don't do the 2 here and then leave that 1 empty by itself, okay? So complete that circle, shade it all the way. There's 1 and then there's 2/10. So we are done shading. Now we need to count how much we have. Let's count how many holes do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. So I'm going to write 5. And how many shaded there? 1/10. So our answer for that is 5 and 1/10. So you can write your answer here. You can put it, make sure you put it on this side as well. Okay? Do you get that? Can you do the rest on your own? Can you handle the rest on your own? All right. If not, if you can, go ahead and do those. If not, let me work out the next one with you. Okay? So look at number 2. It says 2 4/5 plus 2 1/5. Okay? So just like in the first one, what do we do first? We shade in the whole numbers. So first, let's identify what the whole numbers are. What are those? Right here, that's a 2, and that is another 2. So let's shade in that 2. And you know what? This time, I'm going to use a fatter pen. Fatter pen. All right. All right, that's a little bit better. All right, so here's the 2. Ooh, look, so much better. So much faster, so much more efficient to use that. See, whenever you have a problem, you think about, what's a better solution? How can I do this better and easier and more efficiently? And bam, that's my solution right there. All right, so there's 1, 2, and remember, please shade them in like a 5th grader. All right, there's 2. And, I'll change the color for you so you see. So that's the 2 for that one. And then the other 2 holes, I'm going to use a different color. A different color. All right, so you see that? We have 2 holes, bam, 2 holes, bam. So now I have 4 holes. Now what do? We need to shade in the fractional part. So let's look at the fractional part. What does it say? 4/5. Now I'm going to use a thinner pen for this one because I don't want to mess up and color the whole thing. Maybe a little bit better. All right, so I need 4/5. Now look at this piece. I have how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pieces. How many do I shade? 4, which means how many is left not shaded? Subtracting 1. All right, so let's count. There's 1 piece, 1/4, 2 4s, 3 4s, and 4. Oh no, you know what? I messed up. That was 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, and then 4/5. And then what's the other one? Plus 1/5. I'm going to use a different color to show you the 1/5. Bam, right there. Remember, don't use another circle yet until you fully shade in that one. So we had the 4/5, and then I needed 1 more. There's that 1/5 right there. Bam. And do we need to color that next circle? No, because I don't have, I don't have any more that I need to color. And look, here's a trick. Look right here. You see 4/5 and 1/5? Look, 4 and 1 makes 5. 5/5 right there. What is our answer? Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 holes. 5 holes. And look, nothing is shaded in the next one. So you can write 5 and 0/5, but guess what? You don't have to. You can just write 5, and that is your answer. Thumbs up if you got that. All right, so are you ready to do the rest on your own? You better be ready because I am done. I am not doing what? Okay, fine. I'll do one more. I'll do one more. You know what? No, actually, you know what? No, I'm not because I have other videos I need to record. Make sure you work hard. And if you still don't understand, go read the help up top on the top of the paper and you can watch this video again. Watch it again if you need more help. Otherwise, if you still don't get it, ask a parent, ask a friend, or you can ask me tomorrow when I see you. Love you.